Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this interesting math problem, which is t to power 2 divided by 16. This is equal to 16 over t to power 2. What is the value of t? Now, if you have a different technique or a formula, kindly showcase in the comment section. Now, solution from here. The first thing to do here, let's cross multiply here. So here we'll have t to power 2 times t to power 2. This is equal to 16 times 16. So you find that we can express 16 as 2 to power 4. So let's substitute this. Here we have t to power 2 times t to power 2. This is equal to 2 to power 4 times 16 again here, which is 2 to power 4. Now, you find that t to power 2 times t to power 2, this is in the form of a to power n times a to power m, which we can express as a to power n plus m. Applying this exponent property, then here we'll have t to power 2 plus 2. This is equal to 2 to power 4 plus 4. So here we'll have t to power 4. This is equal to 2 to power 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. We have t to power 4 is equal to 2 to power 8. We can express 2 to power 8 as this is the same thing as 4 to power 4. Substituting this, we'll have t to power 4. This is equal to 4 to power 4. Now, let's take 4 to power 4 on the left hand side, so that here we'll have t to power 4 subtract 4 to power 4. This is equal to 0. So from here, we can express t to power 4 as t to power 2 raised to power 2, subtract 4 to power 4, which you can express as 4 to power 2 raised to power 2. This is equal to 0. Now this equation actually is in the form of a squared minus b squared, which is actually the difference of two squares, which you can express as a plus b, a minus b. Now from this equation, a is equal to t to power 2 and b in this case is equal to 4 to power 2. So this implies that a plus b, this is the same thing as t squared plus 4 squared. And we have that a minus b, this is the same thing as t squared minus 4 squared. Now this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. Let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2. So let's solve equation 1 and 2. A plus b is equal to t squared plus 4 squared. This is equation 1. A minus b is t squared minus 4 squared. This is equation 2. So let's start with equation 1. Let's call this case 1. We have t squared plus 4 squared. This is equal to 0. Now, t squared plus 4 squared, this is in the form of a squared plus b squared, which we can express as a plus bi, then a minus bi. So this implies that t squared plus 4 squared, this is the same thing as t plus 4i, and then here we have t minus 4i, and this is equal to 0. So this implies that we have two parts here. The first part is t plus 4i. This is equal to 0. And the second part here is t minus 4i. This is equal to 0. So this implies that the first value of t, that is t1, is minus 4i. In the second part here, t minus 4i is equal to 0. This implies that the second value of t, that is t2, this is equal to 4i. So these are the values of t1 and t2. Let's proceed to case 2. Case 2 here, we have t to power 2 minus 4 to the power 2. This is equal to 0. So this is actually the difference of two squares expressed as a squared minus b squared, which we can express as a plus b, a minus b. So this implies that here we have t plus 4 and we have here t minus 4. So this is equal to 0. So we have two parts here, that is t plus 4 equal to 0. And we have the second part here, which is t minus 4. This is equal to 0. So this implies that t3 here, this is equal to minus 4. And we have t4 here equal to 4. So we have 4 solutions to this problem. We have 4 solutions. We have 4 solutions to this problem. So the first value of t, that is t1, is equal to minus 4i. t2 is equal to 4i. Then we have that t3 is equal to minus 4. And we have t4 is equal to 4. So the next step from here, let's verify that these 4 solutions actually satisfies the equation. Let's verify that these 4 solutions here actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall here, we have that t to the power 2 divided by 16. This is equal to 16 over t to the power 2. Let's start with t1, which is equal to minus 4i. Let's substitute this. So that now we'll have minus 4i squared divided by 16. This is equal to 16 divided by minus 4i squared. So minus 4, this is the same thing as minus 4 squared times I squared divided by 16. This is equal to 16 divided by minus 4 squared times I squared. So minus 4 squared, this is equal to 16 times I squared. I squared in this case is equal to minus 1. I squared is equal to minus 1. So 16 times minus 1 divided by 16. This is equal to 16 divided by minus 4 squared. This is 16 times I squared, which is minus 1. So let's simplify here by 16 by 16. So we have minus 1 is equal to 16 and 16 simplifies. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this proves that T1 satisfies the equation. So let's proceed to T2. T2, which is equal to, T2 is 4i. Let's substitute this. So here we'll have 4i squared divided by 16. This is equal to 16 divided by 4i squared. So again here, we have 4 squared, which is 16, multiplied by I squared. Remember, we have seen that I squared is the same thing as minus 1. So this implies that 16 times minus 1 divided by 16, this is equal to 16 divided by 4 squared. This is 16 times I squared, which is minus 1. So if you simplify here by 16 by 16, so this is minus 1, which is equal to 1 divided by minus 1. This is minus 1. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this implies that T2, which is 4i, satisfies the equation. Okay, so let's proceed to T3 and T4. we have t3 is equal to minus 4. So let's verify here. We have minus 4 squared divided by 16. This is equal to 16 divided by minus 4 squared. So minus 4 squared, this is equal to 16 divided by 16. This is equal to 16 divided by minus 4 squared, which is 16. So 16 over 16, this is the same thing as 1. This is equal to 16 over 16, which is also equal to 1. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Now let's proceed to T4, which is equal to 4. Let's verify actually this satisfies the equation. So if you recall again, we have 4 to the power 2 divided by 16. This is equal to 16 divided by 4 to the power 2. So 4 squared, this is the same thing as 16 divided by 16. This is equal to 16 divided by 16. So this actually is equal to 1, which is equal to 1. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that these 4 set of solutions actually satisfies the equations. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Kindly subscribe.